Hi, I'm Kevin from Karna Institute of Technology, URK20CS3007. In this video, we are going to see about the basic network troubleshooting commands. I aim to write the basic network troubleshooting commands lines tool for the network information. The procedure of all the commands uh, will be displayed, and we will discuss about the each command will be displayed and defined. For IP configure the display all the current TCP and IP networks, configure the values and refreshes the dynamic host configuration protocol and domain names system settings used without the parameters. IP config displays the internet protocol version 4 IPv4 and IPv6 address, subnet mask and the default gateway of all adapters will be displayed on the IP config. And IP config all, it will be displayed all the networks surrounded by our PC or the monitor. IP flush DNS, IP flush when you do an IP config flush DNS, your system clears all the cache of the name and the to IP entities and reload them from the connected DNS server. After that, it will be IP config release. First, we will give the IP config release is executed to force the client to immediately give up the lease by sending the server DHCP lease notification, which updates the server status information and marks the old client's IP address as available. Then the command IP config renew is executed to requested a new IP address. After that, we will see that the getMAC, it will be different of IP address. It will be default IP address. Windows command used to display the media access control MAC address for each network adapter in the computer. The computer itself, they will give the default IP address. For RAP for RAP command, this command is used to display the RAP table for a particular IP address. It also shows all the entities of the RAP cache or table. After that, the ping command is a command that prompt used to test the availability of the source of the computer reach the specification destination of the computer. It usually used to simple way to verify the computer can communicate over the network with over a network with other computers to the network devices. We were using that ping www.google.com to be checked whether packet sent, received and lost, and minimum there are 33 minutes and 44 minutes second milliseconds like that it will be displaying. After that, we will see that traceset. Traceset, the command is root in a Linux, is one of the key diagnostic tool for TCP and IP. It displays a list of all the routers that the packet must go through to get from the computer where the traceset is run to any other computer on the internet. For the path being www.google.com. In this command, the path being command is the command the line network utility supplied in the Windows 2000, and beyond that the combines the functionalities of ping with the of traceset. It is used to locate the spots that have the network latency and network classes. After that, we will see that root print. In this root print, the command allows to make the manual entities into the network routing tables. After that, we will see that netstat work with the TCP and networks status command. Also, the netstat is used to get the information about the status of the TCP and IP network routes, interfaces, TCP connection, and UDP ports on your local system. After that, netstat queue will be retrain the network statistics, including available TCP ports, or retrieves the for the netstat command line utility used to retrieve the phrase commonly used network statistics, including the available in the use of transmission of control protocols. After that, we are seeing a NS lookup command. NS lookup command that queries internet domain name servers in two modes. Interactive mode allow you to query name servers for information about the various hosts and domains are to print a list of the host in a domain. After that, we will having the net user using a laptop or a monitor. It will be net use command is used to add, remove, and make the changes of the user account on the computer. All form of command prompt. This will be displaying default account and administrator. The command complete here my laptop ID. After that, a host name will be display my laptop ID for if we give the command as host name. These are the commands to be performed in the basic troubleshooting commands network. Uh, these are the definition for in conflict ping, traceroute, net, NS lookup, and netstat, and path ping. Uh, these all the command are verified and the output gets successfully. Thank you.